Dear students, in this video we are going to see the working of vapor compression refrigeration system. So vapor compression refrigeration, in which the refrigerant undergoes phase changes, is one of the many refrigeration cycles and is most widely used method for air conditioning of buildings and automobiles. It is also used in domestic and commercial refrigerators, large scale warehouses for a chilled or frozen storage of foods and meats, refrigerated trucks and railroad cars, and a host of other commercial and industrial services. Okay, let us see the construction of vapor compression refrigeration system. So it is having a compressor, evaporator, expansion valve, condenser, and a fan, that is a kind of exhaust fan. And in case of working of a vapor compression refrigeration system, so the refrigeration effect is obtained in the cold region as the heat is extracted by the vaporization of refrigerant in the evaporator. So the refrigerant vapor from the evaporator is compressed in the compressor to a high pressure at which its saturation temperature is greater than the ambient or any other heat sink. Hence, when the high pressure, high temperature refrigerant flows through the condenser, condensation of the vapor into liquid takes place by the heat rejection to the heat sink. So to complete the cycle, the high pressure liquid is made to flow through the expansion valve. In the expansion valve, the pressure and the temperature of the refrigerant decreases. It gets reduced. So this low pressure and the low temperature refrigerant vapor evaporates in the evaporator, taking a heat from the cold region. So it should be observed that the system operates on a closed cycle. So this is a closed cycle one. So the system requires input in the form of mechanical work, and it extracts the heat from a cold space and rejects heat to a high temperature heat sink. So a refrigeration system can also be used as a heat pump, in which the useful output is the high temperature heat rejected at the condenser. Alternatively, a refrigerant system can be used for providing cooling in summer and heating in winter. So such systems have been built and are available now. So this is the working of vapor compression refrigeration system. So this question may be asked in 13 marks. You have to write the drawing. You have to draw the drawing, write the construction, working principle, advantages of vapor compression system, and disadvantages. Prepare well. Thank you.